Hi folks, how are you all doing today? Today it's time for creating a snake game. Okay, a simple snake game, yet you will have a better understanding of the concept of the game, right? So for today, we'll just create a very simple snake game. Okay, yes, we can definitely add in more features, more and more features into the game, which I'm gonna show you, right? But today we'll just create a simple version of it just to, start off creating game on scratch, right? And we'll add more and more features. I will, okay, let's name it as Snake Game 1.0, right? So we'll get 2.0 and 3.0. We'll improve this more and more. Okay. So yeah, let's see the first version of the Snake Game, which is like a basic game, right? Wherein I'm just using the concept of it today, and we'll improve it more and more in the next sessions. Okay. So, what exactly I mean to say the snake game concept is you might have all played this kind of a game before. Today you'll be creating it and then you'll be playing it. Okay, that's the difference. So, the concept is just like this. We have a snake and we'll have a food. Okay, so what will you do? You will just make your snake move, right? Move in all directions possible, like left, right, up, and down. Okay. And then you'll just have to touch the food to eat it. Okay. So once you capture the food, it will just go some elsewhere on the screen randomly. Okay. And whenever you touch the edges, your snake will die, right? So that's how we will be creating it for today, right? We can improve this, we can add in many more concepts into this, right? But yeah, for today we'll just create the base concept and we'll get deeper and deeper in the later sessions, right? So let's start creating snake game version 1.0. Okay, so let's quickly get started without any delay. For this I'm keeping it simple today, right? So let's paint a backdrop. Okay. So let's just click on backdrops here. Already we have one backdrop which is empty or plain. So yeah, I will just convert to bitmap first. Okay. Let's give a gradient backdrop. Let's not make it so very boring, right? So I'm using a radial gradient. Okay. If you have not been watching my series yet, right, please do go back to my channel and web development series. I have created a radial gradient concept. Okay. So just watch it. You will understand more about radial gradients, right? And how to create different kinds of also. But in Scratch, you can only create one type of radial gradient, right? So we are just clicking on this button here to create that. Okay. So this is the first color. Let's say I will choose yellow and green. Let's choose green as the base color, like this thing, and yellow outer shade, like this thing. Okay, I hope this looks good. Oh wait, fill. Just click on fill and then click on the screen. See, this is how it is creating the gradient, right? In this, in Scratch, I don't really understand why is this. Maybe like this is like a small glitch here. So the circular part will move towards left side a little. Okay. To avoid this issue, what you can do, click on convert to vector. Okay. Then zoom it out a bit. Click on the backdrop. Using mouse tool, you can click on the backdrop, right? So drag it towards right side. You can see the circle is moving towards right now. Okay. So when you leave it, this is how the backdrop is looking like, right? If you like it, you can keep it, or you can again click on it and try to drag it more. Okay. So you can, I think you can still drag it more. Right. So this is okay for me. I think right now it is okay. It works for me. However, this is not going to be the permanent one, right? So yeah, it's okay. All right. Now you have the backdrop ready, and you should have sprites now. Correct. Let's go to choose a sprite option, and I'm just gonna choose a ball for today. So this ball is gonna be both or just a snake. I'll just rename this ball as snake. Okay. And then let's get a food. We have some food sprites, right? I hope you all should be knowing about this. Snakes like eggs, correct? So I'm just taking egg sprite. So we have got the snake, we have got the egg, but egg can't be bigger than ball or snake, right? So that's why let's decrease its size to 80. Uh, okay, maybe we can just make it 60. Okay, this is fine, right? I hope this is okay. And ball, we can actually change the color. So, I mean, we have multiple costumes of ball. So pink looks good, or green definitely shouldn't. Blue. I think I like blue. So I will just use blue color. Okay. So we have the snake, we have the egg ready. So we can start off creating the game, right? So to create the snake game, first we will have to start off with snake or egg anyhow. Okay. So I will be starting off with food sprite first because it is very simple, right? It just moves some elsewhere on the screen always. Like it moves to random positions always. Okay. How would you do that again? Go to events. When green flag clicked, we just want to move it to random position, isn't it? Right? So to move it to random positions, what can be done? We can go to motion. Okay. You have this block called as go to XY, right? This is to set position of your sprite only, correct? So that's why I'm just grabbing this go to XY block. Okay. And then you want it to be moving randomly on the screen, right? So to move or to place it randomly on the screen, so you can't really mention or specify x and y values directly, correct? So then what can you do? So you can get pick random operator from operators section. So what does this pick random do is it will pick up random numbers, right, from the given range. Okay. So now this is bigger task. So how will you choose the range? We don't know, correct? So don't worry at all. You already know about the coordinate system of Scratch, right? So if you don't know about it, that means you've not watch my series yet, right? Please do go back to my channel, Folks Hub. There I have already made a Scratch playlist. In Scratch playlist, you will see coordinate system thing, right? Please do watch that video to understand the Scratch coordinate system, and then you will understand about X and Y values in a better way. Okay, come back and watch Snake Game again, or you can continue watching. Later on, you can go and watch coordinate system video, right, to get a better idea of what X and Y values are and how many values are there on Scratch stage. Okay, so if you don't know about it right now, if you know about it right now, you can comment in the comment section below what is the width and height of this Scratch stage. If you don't know it, go and check out coordinate system video and come and comment over here. And there also that I have watched Snake Game. Okay, so you can comment in the comment section below and do let me know about it if you know about width and height. If you don't know, you can say don't know, and you can go back to coordinate system and watch it. Okay, yeah. Now so let's see how to give the range. I will tell you a simple method now, okay? But yeah, you have to go and watch the coordinate system to understand this better. So I'm placing my egg on the left edge. I will see what is the x value here, okay? So just get it and give the range over here, right? Now, then drag it towards right, place it on the right edge, see what is the value, copy it, paste it over here. So that's how you get the range. So from here till here, whatever is the values are there you gave. So among those values, it will pick up one and it will go there. Okay. I hope we'll just have to change the egg color, right? It seems that I can't really see it properly. So I can actually use fill bucket tool. I think this color is gonna work out, right? Yeah, it is working out. I think this is also cool. Let's not fill this thing. I think it's cool like this, right? Yeah, let's go back. Okay, your egg is here now. Okay, now, so now not only x values are enough, right? You also have to get the y values. Do the same thing. Just place it on the bottom edge. get y value from here, paste it over here. Okay, and then go here, get the value from here, paste it over here. Okay, so now you got the ranges and it will randomly go some elsewhere on the screen now, right? So not only moving it randomly is enough, correct? So whenever snake goes and touches the egg, it has to again move to some random place. So that means here we have to check a condition again and again, correct? To do that, you can go back to control. We have this block called as forever so that it can run the things again and again. And we have conditional statement here, if conditional statement, right? If egg is touched by snake, that means if touching snake, correct? So go to sensing, get touching. If touching snake, okay, then you just have to go to random position again, right? That means you can just duplicate this block, place it inside this, attach it back again. Okay, that's it we have to do for now, right? So yeah, this is about this. Okay, you have placed it in the random position again and again. Now when I click on green flag, it is here. Again, when I click, it is there. So it is randomly changing positions now. Okay, so that's what we wanted, right? If at all your snake touches the egg, then also it will move to random position. For that, we still have not yet coded. So let's start coding for that snake here. So always we know when green flag clicked, something should happen, right? So when green flag clicked, what should be done? Basically, our snake has to move, right? How will it move? So you have to use arrow key events here or key press events here. Okay. So when up arrow key is pressed, you have to move it forward. Down arrow key, downward. Left arrow key, right arrow key. Respective movements should happen, right? So if they have to take place, these again have to happen forever. So forever. Get if conditional statement. So we will be needing four of them. So I'm just taking four of them here. Okay. Then go to sensing because we have four keys, right? So key space pressed, place in all of them. Okay. Now this is up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, and left arrow. Okay. So let's say if that respective key up arrow is pressed, then what would we want to do? We just want to move snake from here to towards top now, towards north, correct? So to move it up, we already know from the coordinate system video that to move it upwards, we have to increase y value, right? So to increase y value, we have motion blocks again. Okay. So this is the block change y. So change y by 10. So that means it will move 10 steps ahead when you press up arrow key. Okay. And to move downwards, same ways, change y by negative value. So minus 10. Okay. Now to right arrow, that means towards right. If you want to move, change x by 10. Towards left, if you want to move, change x by minus 10. Okay. So for leftward movement, you have to go in a negative direction. For rightward movement, you have to go in the positive direction. Okay. So this is all about it. Key up arrow pressed, down arrow pressed, right arrow pressed, and left arrow pressed. You have all the movements now, right? Ready. So let's first check it if it is working or not, and then we'll do the rest of the thing. Okay. So let me click on this. So I am able to move it leftwards, rightwards, upwards, downwards, and I am able to capture the egg also, right? You can see whenever I touch it, it moves to random position, and again I will have to go and capture it from there, right? So, but when I touch the edge, nothing is happening for now, correct? But this should not be the game, yeah? Because whenever it touches the edge, it should show game over or something like that, correct? So, what shall we do? We'll just paint another backdrop saying game over, right? So, I'm just filling the same color here, convert to bitmap and then fill it. Okay, I think this is okay for now. Oh, your egg will be hidden, right, with this color. I think I'll just take another gradient, or I think this color would suit. I have chosen a different color, but this doesn't turn up. Let's convert to bitmap and let's fill it here. Okay. And then you can convert to vector back again and click on T button. Start typing the text over here by choosing a different color. So we'll say game over. And I'm just changing the I'm changing it to marker, increasing the size, placing it in the middle, and I think that would work, right? Now let's go back to code. Let's go back to snake code. Let's stop it here. Now, so we always have to start it off with the first backdrop, right? Definitely, you have to go to looks, switch backdrop to backdrop 1 always. Okay. If you want, you can rename the costumes so that it will be easy for you to understand. This would be start and this would be end or game over. So you can write anything, no problem. So I'm writing game over. On the snake, I will start switch backdrop to start while it is starting. Okay. Now, after this condition, we have to place in another condition now. If ball or snake touches edge, that means if touching edge. So get this block, touching edge, right? We just have to stop everything, right? So you can go to control. First, let's switch the backdrop to game over. Wait. And then you can stop all. Stop all will be in control. So stop all would stop every other script which is running in the background. Okay. So on the egg, if something is running, or on the snake, if something is running, sorry. So it would just stop everything. Okay. So now let's see what is happening, right? So let's move the snake. Okay, I'm able to capture it. When I touch the edge, it says game over. Okay. So this is a very, very basic version of snake game, right? Like I told you, this is 1.0. Okay. I hope you understood how to create this thing, and it was very much easy and simple to follow and understand, right? Okay, so if you have any questions or concerns, you can repeat this video again and again. Check it out, what for we are using, which thing. Okay, and do let me know if you have any questions also in the comment section below, right? So I'm just starting off with a very basic game because you have to have a better idea and understanding of this, right? That's why I've started it off with a very basic thing. Okay. So let's not get into more details for now, right? I will be adding more and more features in our upcoming sessions so that let's do it step by step. Let's take it slowly, not like all of a sudden creating a very big game and you don't understand anything. So that would be a waste of time, correct? So that's why we're learning it slowly. We will just take it slowly from here, right? So we have created a very, very basic version of snake game right now, wherein you just understood how to create a backdrop, how to use the sprites, how to change the random positions of the ball. Oh, wait, not ball, egg, right? Yeah, egg. And then we have used a snake, wherein that snake is coming and touching the food and it is just getting spawned some elsewhere now. Food is going some elsewhere now, right? And whenever your snake is touching the edges, it gives or it shows game over. Okay. So these are the few features which we have added into our snake game. And in the upcoming sessions, we will be adding more and more features into this. You will see that at the end of the game, right? Like while we complete all the versions of it, then you would see a completely a different version, or we can say a better version of this, right? So yeah, we'll add more and more features in this. There are so many features which we can add and we can improve it. Okay. I will be getting back to you with the other features in the upcoming sessions. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye bye and have a great day all. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, folks. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.